Have you at any point found out about paid audit? On the off chance that you've never heard it, perhaps you simply returned from Moon. It's an extraordinary arrangement today. Numerous bloggers all around the globe are profiting than their Google AdSense's check utilizing this program. Paid audit is essentially clarified as another subsidiary program among blogger and promotions specialist intermediary. Promotions operator goes about as an arbiter among bloggers and sponsors. The cash hover in this program is very straightforward. Promoter pays advertisements operator to get some blog entries looking into their items or administrations, then promotions specialist asks bloggers in their enrollment to compose the audit. At the point when the audit has been posted, bloggers will get paid. There are such a significant number of destinations offering this program. Each web page has various standards and necessities to acknowledge a blog. Be that as it may, as they need the same number of blogger as they can pull in to join, a large portion of these destinations even acknowledge PR0 websites. Obviously, the higher the PR your blog has, the higher cash you'll procure and more occupations coming to you. A couple sites has solid prerequisites and can just tolerating PR1 plus sites or potentially having their very own area name. What amount of cash you can gain with this program? A PR0 blog will be paid $2-10 for each survey. PR1 and higher will win significantly more cash composing the equivalent 300 words audit. Truly, it's simple. Simply compose an audit with at any rate 3 connects to the publicist's website, post it on the blog, present the URL of the survey to the web page where you've joined, at that point dollars credited to your record in a moment. On the off chance that you could figure out how to compose a $10 audit a day, toward the month's end you'll acquire $300. For amateur bloggers that can do nothing to expand their AdSense winning, even procure $100 per month composing audits is a decent arrangement. Bloggers with higher PR obviously will increase better, as I saw a promoter offering $200 to PR6 plus blog to compose a 300-word survey about their administration. All things considered, when you think Google AdSense is the hardest method to get cash on the web, at that point you should consider paid survey. In any case, never join to a paid audit program only for cash. You should comprise to your blog perusers also your substance. Try not to give your believability a chance to tumble down to the earth by composing an audit that immateriality to your specialty. Indeed, you'll gain cash posting the survey, yet your perusers would leave you since they realize that creation cash is number one for you. Simply consider it, your peruser is everything. Try not to irritate them with an out-of-subject paid survey posted on your blog. At that point, your substance is a lord. You can even now win cash composing audit without losing your perusers or breaking your blog consistency. The key you need is, be particular. Click the link in the description for more information.